Stock Boeing shares today. They have been battered and bruised. List of headwinds is growing. The new travel restrictions, questions about global air traffic demand, and then the ongoing grounding of the 737 MAX. Boeing's value cut in half over the last year, but that doesn't really tell the story. Those shares are down 45% since March 4th of this year. Right now, it's March 13th. Joining us right now is Bank of America securities analyst Ron Epstein, publishing a new note just moments ago, lowering his price target on Boeing to $180. Ron, it's good to see you. Your price target is $180. That stock, just looking at it this morning, it's closed yesterday at $154. It's indicated this morning up around $166 and change. What happened?
Yeah. Good morning. A couple things, right? If you look at one, if you look at the global airlines, right, as you discussed, air traffic for this year is probably going to be negative, right? This will be the fourth time since anybody's been recording air traffic that we're going to have negative air traffic growth, right? So, the last time this happened was after the financial crisis, and then after September 11th, and then go all the way back to 1990 with the first Gulf War. So that's impacting airlines. So one, because of that, there's a lot of fear from customers or from investors that airlines are going to defer and cancel airplanes. So that's one factor. Two, it gets aggravated by the 737 situation because we're on the one-year anniversary.
Today is the anniversary, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Friday the 13th.
One-year anniversary of the grounding of the MAX.
Yep. Yeah, exactly. And the thing is, with the contracts with airlines, once you go out about a year, they have walkaway rights, right? So the fear is that you're going to see, some cancellations and deferrals more than you normally would because of the nature of the contracts with the airlines, right? So if you don't need to take that capacity today as an airline, which probably nobody does, you'll probably push it out. That means the ramp of the 737 will probably be slower than people were thinking, right? So most folks, like we had to do on our model today, which hence impacted our price target, have to take down their expectations on, quote unquote, the recovery on the 737 because you're going to probably see a bunch of deferrals. Not so many cancellations, but deferrals. Another factor that hit the stock was, and you guys reported this earlier in the week, that it appears Boeing, kind of tapped out their term loan, the $13 billion term loan, quicker than anybody was expecting, right? So that made people have fear about liquidity, so on and so forth. So,
Ron, we're out of time, but very quickly, do you have fear about that or your neutral rating?
Yeah, I don't, right? I mean, if you add it all up, they have about $23 billion of liquidity. So, I don't think they do have a liquidity issue, not at all.
Ron, thank you. It's great talking to you, and we will talk to you again soon.